founder of Deaney Weaney Blooms. Deaney Weaney Blooms is a paper flower studio based in the US, currently in North Carolina, but we'd be moving to Rochester, New York. So we make paper flowers from small to large, from bouquets up until installations, paper flower walls. And I do love teaching how to make them through workshops and templates. And I have an announcement to make. So I have launched a subscriptions plan through Creative Fabrica's Fans or CF Fans. So first of all, what is it? So CF Fans is an all-in-one platform into which you can support your favorite artists, creators, creatives, crafters in what they do through subscriptions. So Deaney Weaney Bloom subscription plan in CF Fans is $5 per month. So what do you get out of that? So first, 1 to 3 templates per month, or it may be more. And then second, discount codes or discounts to any Deaney Weaney Blooms workshop. But wait, templates, workshops, what's the difference? So
a template is, well, you're going to get a pattern and then simple instructions versus a workshop in which it's an intensive workshop. You get like 2 to 3 tutorials, and then like you get an introduction like, hey, this is what this is what you do, etc. And then you also get like video resources. For example, you need help into uploading the file into your cutting machine, so you'd get that. And then you can easily ask me because a workshop is based, or it's in my website, and then I have a chat box there. You can easily ask me. So
that's the big difference between a template and a workshop. But wait, there's more. So other than that, so we have the templates and then discount codes to workshop. I'd also be showing, or you'd be walking through with me into my projects. So I do show like my systems, how I do my projects, how I manage my projects, and then I would also show like the tips and tricks, and then like the lessons I learned in that project. What did I do great? What can I do more or better, or something like that. So you'd be walking with me through that. And then of course you can always ask me questions. Hopefully all paper flower related, but whatever question I'm willing to answer. Please, just not algebra or math or trigonometry or anything related to that. I'm kidding. But yeah, there are lots of things that I offer in the Deaney Bloom's plans or subscription plan in Creative Fabrica Fans. So I placed the link in the comments below. So please check it out. And I do seek, implore, and like ask for your support into this dream of mine of creating for a living. So yep, again, check it out, and thank you so much. Bye.